Let me start with something simple. Money doesn't feel hard because it's complicated. It feels hard because it never leaves your head. Even when you're not actively thinking about money, it's still there, quietly running in the background. And that's the part most people underestimate. It's not the big financial decisions that drain us. It's carrying them around. So instead of trying to think harder about money, I started thinking about it differently. Think about driving on a long highway. You set a direction. Follow a few rules. And let the system handle the boring parts. Humans are great at big ideas. But we're terrible at boring repetition. So the goal isn't stronger discipline. It's designing a system that doesn't rely on discipline at all. The first place I look is in investing. It's cash flow. Because if money leaks quietly every month, no strategy can fix that later. I used to think budgeting failed because people were bad with numbers. Turns out, it fails because it's boring. And anything boring eventually gets ignored. Automation here isn't about control. It's about visibility. You can't improve what you don't consistently see. Most investors don't fail because they pick the wrong assets. They fail because of timing, emotion, and confidence at the wrong moment. The most dangerous days in investing are the days you feel very confident. Systems exist for those moments, not to predict markets, but to enforce rules. Discipline compounds faster than intelligence. And sometimes, the most valuable move is doing nothing. In 2026, the biggest risk isn't missing upside. It's ignoring downside. Risk management isn't about predicting disasters. It's about deciding ahead of time how much uncertainty you're willing to live with. Survival comes first. Growth comes second. Calm systems last longer than confident predictions. When people talk about side income, they usually think about doing more. I think about doing less. On purpose. This isn't about maximizing income. It's about minimizing attention. because attention is the real scarce resource. Simple, repeatable systems beat constant hustle. Low effort doesn't mean low value. It means designing leverage instead of burning energy. You don't need the whole system. Start with one thing, one rule, one automated report, one weekly review. Small systems applied consistently change behavior over time. This video is simply how I think about money in 2026. When AI is everywhere and human behavior hasn't changed much. If this way of thinking helps you make calmer decisions, you're welcome to stay.